I have a Springfield Leather Company box that was delivered, and I wanted to see what the ugly bundle would look like. Packing material. Sorry, you're not getting a good view, but that's okay. You'll get one better here in a minute. This one is an oil tan side, $30. Look at that. That's lovely. I'll open that up eventually. I'm not worried about that one right now. It's kind of like, I know I'm going to like that. Okay. Here we go. This is the thing that I've been losing sleep over because I just obsess over things. I want to know right now what I'm getting. So this is $29 bundle of ugly leather. I don't have a fancy phone stand to set everything on, so hold on while I grab out. Okay, I scuffed it. Oh well, it's ugly, right? All right, and I don't know what's what, so don't come back at me and say you're an idiot, because I already know. Oh, look at that. Now, I would like if they would put on the back, a little sticker that said, this is such and such for stupid people like me that don't know, but oh man, that is sweet stuff. That'll make a nice accent on something. What do I make? Nothing yet. I'm still so new. I haven't found a niche. I'm just playing and learning. That's veg tan. Easy enough. Enough for a wallet back, just like they said. This is some funky stuff right here. This says Eagle Ottawa LLC Toyota test in neutral beige. Testing and upholstery. Cool. Figure something out. I gotta move my tea. My tea's gonna get stuff in it, and I'm just not fond of that. Okay. Stretch this out. Ooh. Oh my. If I were to hazard a guess, I would say that's light enough for a garment. Certainly for a... Oh, look how pretty. That is some black stuff. Very light. You'd probably call that around the maybe 1.5 or 2. Really, really thin, but yeah, I would say that's either like garment weight or upholstery, but really nice. I like that. That's nice. I find myself drawn to these textures, and somebody out there's going to go, ooh, gross, what are you going to do with that? I don't know, but that's cool. What the heck is that? Is it embossed, or is it... I think it's probably embossed. Yeah, since it's... Okay, so this is just a patterned... That's cool. It's ugly, but it's cool. Somebody will do something. And then this great big sticker. I don't have a gauge. Oh, there's my dog throwing stuff around. pretty decent size there. Interesting. This is kind of pebbled. Somebody out there, I know. I don't know if I'm even going to post this. This might just be for me, but if you're like me, you've been scouring for Ugly Bundle videos just to see what kind of stuff comes in there, and as of April of 2021, this is what I'm finding. That's suede. Interesting. Oh, pretty blue. And there goes that stack of leather. That's okay. I don't get too worked up about things. That is very pretty. Very, very supple. I really like this. Now, the bottom one that wrapped it all up. I know it's leather, but it's got this plasticky kind of rubber feel to it. I don't know what that is, but I don't like it. That's too cool. I'm really happy for 29 bucks. I got a crap ton of leather to work with. Yes, my table's got leather dust on it. Let's see what this looks like all opened out. Flappy, flappy, flappy. Oh. Aren't you pretty? Pretty big. Yep, I like it. Okay. That's enough of poor video quality for one day.